Girish.
I watched Girish being prodded by his peers to center stage to dance for several hundred community members, students, and employees. It was the Mesa Community College's fall extravaganza, and the crowd cheered as he performed Michael Jackson's dance moves to perfection. During my formative years in India, I grew up listening to the radio, reading newspapers, and going to movies. We all did. We knew what was happening in other countries. We listened to global pop music, we read authors from around the world, and I was surrounded by friends who were fans of the international icon, Michael Jackson. My father was in the Indian Army, and we moved every couple of years to different parts of the country. Often the customs were new to us. These experiences taught me to be open to new places and to value different customs and cultures. Through the CCI program, students from different parts of the world, Brazil, Indonesia, Pakistan, Turkey, India, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Bangladesh, Egypt, Colombia, and others come to our college. I've seen them share traditional foods with each other, teach each other their ways of saying hello and thank you. And I've even watched them as they gather around a phone or tablet to share photos of their families back home. As Girish did the moonwalk on center stage, people around me wondered out loud how a young Indian man would know to dance like an American pop legend. And I wondered, in this day and age, why would he not?